give due courtesy to our women legislators.
Thank you, DSJJ. I just want to be enlightened about the manifestation given by Attorney Chel Jokno. Ano po ba talaga yung literal na meaning ng negate? And when you shared this circular, and you said that that really means to kill, do you mean to say that by negate, by PNP language, its meaning now is to kill? Is that what you mean to say, Attorney?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, Colonel Espenido also in a previous hearing used the term neutralize to mean to kill. He testified to that. And today, the PDEA chief has also used those terms in the same way. Nung una po namin nabasa yung memorandum circular na pinirmahan ni General De La Rosa, doon po kami nagtaka kasi alam naman natin na yung trabaho ng PNP ay mag-case build-up, manghuli, at magsampa ng reklamo. Pero nagtaka kami kung bakit dinagdagan pa nila ng to negate and to neutralize when those are not legal terms and those are not part of the duties of any member of the Philippine National Police. That led us to conclude that yun ang ibig sabihin, and that has been confirmed by several members of the PNP before this Quad Committee.
Would you agree with me, Attorney, that literally, by negate, it means to belie? By neutralize, it means to remove the danger. That's the literal meaning.
Yes, Your Honor. In ordinary parlance, that is the meaning. But I think if you were to ask the members of the Philippine National Police and those involved in law enforcement in our country, ang pagkaintindi na po nila ng neutralize at negate ay ganun din sa nabanggit ni PDEA General Gigi Lasso.
In other words, what gave the term negate and neutralize the meaning which is to kill is the concept of war on drugs that has been introduced, that was introduced during the past administration.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Luistro. Just for clarification, Attorney Jokno, so when you say negate, this is in the PNP parlance, meaning eliminate, extricate, kill. Yung po ba ang ibig sabihin nun?
Yes, Your Honor, especially in the context of the circular issued by then Chief De La Rosa in the war on drugs.
In the absence of a specific word, say kill, would that be interpreted as kill as well?
That is our conclusion because if they meant to apprehend or to charge or to conduct case build-up, madali lang po sabihin yun eh. Hindi na kailangan sabihin na mag-negate o mag-neutralize.
But isn't negate imply that parang neutralize in a way that to stop its operation, you neutralize, you stop it. Is that the way it is? It should be understood?
Sa atin po mga ordinaryong mamamayan, ganun po yung pagkaintindi natin. But I recall Colonel Espenido in a previous hearing before this committee also said that to neutralize means to kill or to eliminate.
Okay, thank you po. Let me ask naman the opinion of Colonel Grijaldo. Does negate mean kill in the PNP parlance?
It is being used, sir, as to negate or to stop or to I mean, sir, na parang naano na, sir, naano na yung ano niya, na-negate na, sir. Kunyari, sir, nasa listahan na negated na yung operation niya, sir. Yun yung
So,
ginagamit sa PNP.
to stop. But does that mean, in the PNP lingo, does that also mean to kill?
No, sir.
No. Si Colonel Patay, ganun din po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, that doesn't mean that negation is killing. That's stopping his or her activities.
Thank you. Si Colonel Castillo, ano po ang inyong opinion?
Sir, ganun din po.
Ganun din. Si Colonel Petalio.
Ganun din, sir. Ganun din po.
Si Colonel Garduque.
Yes, sir. The same, sir.
Si, what's his name? Colonel, Colonel.
Yes,
Andula.
Yes, sir. Same po, sir. Your Honor.
So you all agree, or you are all in agreement that the word negate, as stated in that memorandum, does not mean to kill. Yun ang inyong pagkakasabi, hindi ba? So, how do you now, example, no? How do you now negate a high-value target, a drug lord? Paano yun? Alam nyo, manglalaban yun. Hindi magpapahuli ng buhay yun. It's just a thought na I'd like to expound eventually. So, at this point,
Mr.
I'd like to
Chair.
thank... yes, DSJJ?
I think I was the one after Congresswoman Jingo.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I completely forgot. Yes, DSJJ, you're now
Yeah,
recognized.
just a few questions lang dito kay Captain Albotra. Captain Albotra. Kailan kayong bumalik ng ng Cebu. Cebu ba ang binalikan yung probinsya pagkatapos yung ma-assign dito sa Region 4A?
Opo, sir. Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So gaano katagal kayong naglingkod dito sa Region 4A?
Yung duration po ng order, sir, was from June 4 to 27, sir.
June 4 up to?
June 27, 2018 po, sir.
So ilang buwan yun?
Less than a month lang po, sir.
Less than a month?
Yes, sir.
So less than a month lang yung operations mo dito sa Region 4?
Actually, sir, the actual operation, sir, is only 6 days, sir.
6 days lang?
Yes po, sir, kasi nag-courtesy call pa po ako, sir, ng region, PPO. Tapos umuwi pa po ako, sir, kasi birthday ni ni wife ko, sir. Tapos saka ako nakabalik, sir.
Ito ba regular practice sa PNP na pag nag-assign ng mga officers sa iba't ibang lugar, less than a month lang ang kanilang tour of duty?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So hindi, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So bakit napakaikli ng iyo?
Very unexpectedly po, Mr. Chair. Na-nullified na po yung order namin, Mr. Chair.
Tapos sa tagal ng career mo, ilang beses ka na nabigyan ng ganitong order na na-assign tapos sa maikling panahon lang naibalik ka rin sa pinanggalingan mo?
Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
That was the one and only time.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Nung inassign ka sa Region 4A, sino-sino yung nakasama mo ulit? Nagbanggit ka ng mga pangalan kanina, sino-sino sila?
You mean to say yung kasama ko from 47, Mr. Chair?
Yung kasama mo, oh.
Si Eugene Calumba and SPO3 Bulandres, Mr. Chair.
Kalumba at saka si
SPO3 Miljen Bulandres po.
Volantes.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Parehas silang galing Cebu, kasabay mo sila.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
So kayong tatlo, hinugot sa Cebu, dinala sa Region 4A. Tama.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
At pagkatapos ng kulang-kulang isang buwan, kayong tatlo, ibinalik ulit sa Cebu. Tama.
Tama po, Mr. Chair, kasi na-cancel po yung order namin, Mr. Chair.
So, yung dalawa mong kasama, si Volantes. Volantes nga ba yung pangalan?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Nasaan na siya ngayon?
Nung narinig po sa Mr. Chair from Station 1, hindi ko na po alam, Mr. Chair, kung saan na po unit siya na-assign, Mr. Chair.
Tapos yung isa nyo bang kasama,
Siya po ay namatay, Mr. Chair.
kailan siya namatay?
Sometime in June 2018 yun, Mr. Chair.
Anong dahilan kung bakit siya namatay?
Nabaril po siya, Mr. Chair.
Bakit siya nabaril?
Siya po, Mr. Chair, ay sabi po, Mr. Chair, na nag-surveillance na po siya, Mr. Chair.
Ulit, pwede mong lakas-lakasan ng konti yung boses mo?
Sabi po, Mr. Chair, nag-surveillance na po siya, Mr. Chair.
Nag-ano?
Nag-surveillance po.
Nagsusurveillance siya kanino?
No idea po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kaibigan mo ba itong yumaong pulis?
Nagkasama po kami, Mr. Chair,
So,
before.
kaibigan kayo?
Pwede po, Mr. Chair.
So, magkaibigan kayo, magkasama kayo, kasi lang hindi mo kilala kung sino yung sinusurveillance niya, ganon?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Kasi meron ako nabasang isang article tungkol sa pagkamatay ng isang opisyal, isang pulis. At may kinalaman to. Ito ba si Eugene Calumba? Ito ba yung binabanggit mo?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Siya po.
So binabanggit mo na may sinusurveillance siya, kaya siya binaril. Correct? Tama ba yung kwento mo? Sabi mo may sinusurveillance siya, di ba kanina?
Mr. Chair, yan po ang sinabi sa akin ni Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
Si Ma'am Garma po, Mr. Chair.
Miss Garma, nabanggit po kasi yung pangalan ninyo. Would you want to shed light into
yes,
this?
Sir. I think, Mr. Chair, nung nangyari po yun, Mr. Chair, I was in Guam. Nag-attend po ako ng 1 week na seminar in compliance po dun sa PhD ko. And then when I returned, tapos na po yung ganong pangyayari. And I just relied on reports na lang po. If I could confirm it to
Yes, of course.
Albota, correct, right?
Tama po, Ma'am. Wala po kayo sa Cebu, Ma'am.
Yeah. So, nung nangyari po yun, sir, may OIC po. And yung nadatnan kong report, it appeared to be na nag-surveillance and napansin nung subject na sinusurveillance daw siya. So, nagkaroon po ng putukan or something.
Kaya nabaril yung Calumba.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, yun po ang report na nung dumating po ako.
Okay.
So, nabutan ko na po yun. Tapos na po yung ganong pangyayari, Mr.
So,
Chair.
do you confirm this, Captain Albotra?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, yes, Mr. Chair, wala po si ma'am kasi sa Viber po siya tumawag sa akin, Mr. Chair, that time.
Yeah, that's my only point, Mr. Chair. I just wanted to get the story straight kasi kung mapapansin natin dun sa video kanina, similar din, no? Merong sinosurveillance, tinitingnan muna yung munisipyo, tapos eventually nakita natin na nung lumabas yung mayor ng Los Baños, pinutukan ng 3 beses, patay. So unfortunately dito naman, may nagsusurveillance, kasi lang mukhang napansin nung bodyguard yata ng isang opisyal ng Cebu City, councilman yata, kung di ako nagkakamali, na sinosurveillance, tapos saka nabaril yung kasamahan ni Captain Albotra. So I just wanted to put that on record, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Congressman Suarez. Just a